Hello everyone, namaste. Welcome to your spirit guide messages reading today. So this spread is our messages from our spirit guides and angels. So how we have to lead our life further. So maybe it will resonate or may not resonate with you. So take what resonates only and leave the rest for others. Also, if you're interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. Meanwhile, if you're liking the videos, so please share them, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon for further notification. So let's take a deep breath and allow yourself to receive the messages meant for your soul today. Okay, it looks like your third eye is very much active right now. Okay, so your psychic gates are sharpening. Okay, your third eye is wide open. You're being called to trust the vision here, the gut feelings and the messages that comes in stillness. Okay, when you uh sit in that silence, so spirit is saying, you already know the truth. So trust what you see within. Okay. With this also the Seven of Pentacles, if we see a reminder that your spiritual growth takes patience here. So what you have been investing your energy into, is now growing. Whatever you're working on with that dedication. Okay. So even if you can't see yet the results, but they are coming for you. Okay. Also it looks like you're getting the divine justice in something. Okay, here, so you're being led through a karmic shift here, or maybe rebalancing of energy is happening for you. So now is not the time to push or control things. Okay, spirit is taking care of what needs to be made right for you. So also there is confirmation from a six of swords here. See, he is walking towards calmer waters. So this confirms you are being gently guided away from confusion and some kind of a conflict towards clarity and peace. So trust this transition here, and move back to wholeness. You have that power. Okay, so you have been healing and also reclaiming your strength after maybe periods of doubt or difficulties. So because Bridget is reigniting your courage here, your confidence, and that sacred fire that you have. So with this, if we see Three of Wands, so you are now standing on the edge of expansion. So what you have been dreaming for so far is now starting to manifest for you. Okay, your ships are on the horizon, definitely. Okay, and Kananos is like he brings the message of that creative power, that raw power. So you're awakening your desires here. It's like your spiritual and creative ones. So maybe there's any creative idea on your mind, so you're working on that, maybe possibly, and spirit wants you to live more fully. So stop dimming your energy in any way. You are very much purposeful here. So let life flow through you. Okay. So message is for you to follow your intuition. Okay. Trust the inner visions, and you have been getting those intuitions and visions there. So your spirit is urging you to stop doubting your gifts, especially intuitive and psychic gifts. So you're being shown truths through dream. Maybe you are having those lucid dreams and getting those signs. Okay, and deep knowing is there. So find your answers there. There's more unfolding beneath the surface, and you're being trained to see with the soul and not the eyes, because third eye is meant for that. Okay, which is beyond what is visible to our eyes. So uh, pentacles also showing you are being patient, very observing, and investing in something long term. So possibly your spiritual path is calling you. Okay, this is your divine calling. So you're being guided, and keep that vision. Okay, it will surely bloom for you. Okay, so do what you feel is right. Okay, an important lesson is unfolding for you, as Portia is telling us. Okay, that brings balance and karmic alignment, some kind of. So you are in a time where soul contracts or maybe major life lessons are completing for you. Okay, you have been waiting for so long. So spirit is telling you to let go of the desire to force or figure out all at once. So things are being balanced for you behind the scenes. The universe is working for you, okay? So don't rush things here, okay? Also, you are transitioning definitely with those thoughts. So out of something mental or emotional heaviness you may be carrying for so long. So Portia is assisting you in, moving there, gracefully and moving forward. So this is time of, release, release those burdens, and, get the clarity, and, peace is coming in for you. So divine justice is definitely at play. If you have been given, experience any injustice in the past, in any relationship maybe, or at your work, or in general your life, so definitely that, justice is coming for you, and this justice is coming up from up there, okay? So no one can, deny it, okay? And also have pulled two more cards from our angels guidance. So you need to, see beyond the current situation, and, embrace the energy of peace. We have the seer and the broken arrow here, and look at the seer's message and Odin's message here, okay? They both resonate. They are telling the same thing, okay? You're being invited to see beyond what's happening physically, okay? And you need to tap into that intuitive messages around you. So it's like your third eye chakra is very much active here, and you must listen to the messages, okay, you're getting. So they both are asking you to, look through the veil, okay? You are receiving divine nudges, so trust the visions and those dreams, okay? They are guidance from your spirit guides. And again, same message from the broken arrow, you need to embrace the energy of peace. You have been definitely went through, that emotional energetic battle, but peace is now possible, and, it is a sacred sign that you are being protected, and it is safe to, just let down your defenses and allow yourself to be, calm and more open again, okay? Maybe whatever has happened in the past, just leave it there and move forward, okay? You don't need to fight anymore, okay? Just, breathe, and let peace guide your next steps, okay? So what we have got so far is that you're on that edge of, transformative journey, okay? And that karmic balance is there. So you don't have to worry about anything, okay? Just have patience, and, invest spiritually. Your spiritual gifts are very much open now, so receive them, okay? And also move on from past burdens. Don't carry them where you're heading to. They're not required there, okay? So there's expansion for you, and, be hopeful. Visions are coming, so you need to, make space for what's coming in for you. You have been, in that survival mode for so long, but the war is over for you here, okay? So just feel energetic, okay? Just let go of that mental stress, and now, it's okay to soften yourself a little and to rest, okay? So be peaceful, and you are awakening to your truth, definitely, okay? So this is a very powerful spiritual evolution for you, whoever is watching it and connecting it with this energy. And you're healing from old battles, definitely. You are maybe healing that bloodline, okay? And you're moving towards a purpose and that expansion, and, and the divine balance is there for you. So your guides are, with you, and they're guiding you at every step you're taking, and they're beside you. So you're not alone, and you're divinely guided very much. And your next chapter is being written by your soul, and not in this physical realm, okay? Also this Kananos and, Bridget is the twin flame. So what beautiful energy in your reading today, guys. So if I'm getting, maybe if you and your partner are trying for something, like in terms of fertility, so it's very much possible, especially, when these two comes together. So this represents, a birth, some new life. So now, new life is forming. So maybe pregnancy is on the cards for you, uh, if someone is resonating with it, okay? So anyways, other than that also, this is a card of twin flames. So maybe some of you are on the journey of twin flame, okay? You are meeting that person, or you are going through it, okay? You have already in contact with them. Okay, so this is a very, beautiful reading, and, very insightful messages from our spirit guides and angels. So hope you'll resonate with it, so just I'll let you know that you are awakening to your deeper sides, okay, and realigning with your divine truth. And you're definitely stepping into a season of expansion for you, where is so much scope for you there. Okay, so let go of any kind of fear and allow peace and passion to lead you forward. Okay, your guides are saying that they are with you in every step of this journey that is going to be unfolding for you. Okay, also our tarot cards are saying, okay, have patience and this purpose in all the things that are happening. So reward, if you are not seeing right now, so it's taking too long to appear, but they are definitely coming for you. So everything that is meaningful takes time. So you're not stuck if you feel like that. You are in just season of becoming something. So our seven of pentacles is telling that. Okay, and also swords are telling, there's guided transition happening for you, also backed up by our spirit guides here. So you are being guided away from any kind of turbulent waters towards something that is calmer and more in alignment with your soul purpose. Okay, so possibly it could also mean that you have, recently outgrown an old pattern, maybe, or that old belief system, or in terms of your relationships, maybe. Okay. So spirit is helping you to, leave behind what no longer serves you in your evolution further. So you don't need to know exactly where you are going and what is going to happen. Okay. Just trust the people who are guiding you at this time. Okay. Healing is, it's a journey, and it's not a random process, so it gradually happens and you are on your way to that. Also with our wands card, so you are being asked to vision beyond the horizon, as you have also got the message from your spirit guys also. Okay, your third eye is very much active, so you are definitely being able to see beyond what is visible in this world. So this is card of hope and vision, and you're, if you're on that spiritual journey, so you are very much ready for it and you are embarking on it. So you have already done the work here, and you have that inner clarity here, and you are definitely in tune with the higher purpose. So take those courageous steps here, and spirit is telling you your future is calling, and it's much much greater than what you have ever imagined. Okay, so trust the process, and this is a reminder that your ships are not lost, they are almost arriving for you. Okay, so they are coming soon. You just need to be ready here. Okay, so just make space for good things to come in, and your rewards are manifesting here for you. Okay, so magic is happening for you guys. Hope you resonate with this reading. Thank you for watching. Namaste.